Hello everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So, andito tayo ngayon because I want to talk about my favorite online loan platform na napaka-flexible. I'm sure alam nyo na yan based lang sa thumbnail. But in a nutshell, sa loan app na to, meron akong 50,000 na credit limit that I can use for cash loans na, by the way, buo matatanggap. Top up sa aking e-wallet na buong matatanggap. Sagot na rin ng loan app na to yung pati bakasyon nyo guys. Kasi nagamit ko siya sa Agoda. So today, let's talk about Belize, and don't worry, I guess, hindi ko na siguro babanggitin na mababa yung interest niya and payable in installments because you already know this probably. But let's talk about Belize in this video. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago pa kayo dito, it's Ate Red. At kung kayo ay naghahanap ng mga online loan platforms, gusto nyo malaman, gusto nyo may sneak peek kayo kung okay ba sila o hindi, I'm your go-to person. So, kung hindi pa kayo subscribe na kayo sa channel na to and hit the bell notification button para hindi kayo mahuli kapag ako'y nagva-vlog ng mga online loan platforms na super legit, like this one. So, for today's video, pag-usapan natin to si Belize, and I just wanna share why impressed na impressed pa rin ako sa loan app na to. Kasi there are just instances where I don't want to use my credit card, I don't want to pay for things in cash, and there are just times na mas mabuti if you get them on credit. Before anything else, this video is not sponsored. Billy will understand for sure. Gusto pala ni Billy mag-hi sa inyo bago tayo magratatat dito about Belize. So, sagot na rin ni Belize yung mga bakasyon nyo dahil pwede na siyang pambayad sa mga online merchants. At isa sa mga online merchants na kapartner ni Belize, itong si Agoda. Kailangan pumunta ang BGC guys kasi meron akong event. Ayan. And I use Agoda for my, magbubook ako ng mga hotel, travel stuff. I chose this kasi 1 kilometer away lang siya from the events place na pupuntahan ko. By the way, sa event na yon, andun din si T. Marcos, andun din si Pat Quinto. Anyway, so ito sa hotel, F1, overnight lang siya. And nung chinek out ko, and lumabas as a payment option si Belize. O, wala nang pahirapan guys. Agad na lumabas si Belize. And sabi dito, up to 12 months, flexible installment plan, admin fees may apply on some options, payment instructions will be provided on the next page. Okay. So, pag-click ko ng Pay with Belize, direct ako sa Belize. So, kailangan kong mag-log in, obviously. And dalawang payment options po yung lumabas. Easy Pays, kung saan minimum of, 6 months and maximum of 12. Nasabi niya dito, you can also pay twice a month or monthly and mababa lang daw yung interest. Or meron din siyang most flexible. So, dito sa most flexible, kung gusto mo siyang bayaran the next month, pwede. Or 12 months, pwede rin. But nasa inyo na yan kung ano yung pipiliin nyo. After all, depende naman yan sa budget nyo. Yung mahalaga, pinag-iisipan. Pare-parehas din naman yung interest. But syempre, the longer the term, the longer din, or mas, mas mapapamahal ka sa interest. Even if this one is not more than 5%. But anyways, kung i-credit card mo siya at hindi ka naman nag-full sa credit card mo, around 3% din, depende sa credit card company. Isang ola, yaran mo yung booking mo, cash, you might end up paying 15% per month plus baka may kaltas pa. At least dito, na si Belize na, wala na siyang hinihinging down payment. So, yung monthly na lang. So, moving on, i-click mo lang next. Depende sa kung anong flexible payment option na pinili mo. Kapag click mo ng next, meron po siyang summary sa next. So, hindi po siya auto-submit, auto-send, whatever. May time ka mag-review ng terms ng loan mo. Kasi dito, lumalabas na mapupunta talaga siya kay Agoda. So, walang cash na matatanggap dito. Direct po siya ipipay sa Agoda. Yung installment ko is 1 month lang. Yung due date ko is on May 2, 2025. Nasa 5.49 siya. A little higher than a cash loan. Pero, for me, anything that's less than 10% for a non-collateral online loan platform, for as long as naiintindihan mo kung anong pinapasukan mo, I think it's okay pa naman. Isip mo bakit hindi ko ginamit yung credit card ko? Kasi syempre magbabiyahe ako and saka ko nagagamitin yon pang in case of emergency. So, and matagal-tagal ko na rin hindi nagagamit si Belize. So, I decided na si Belize na muna yung gamitin ko. Kasi sometimes napapraning ako na parang natatakot ako na baka bumaba yung credit limit ko kung hindi ko siya ginamit. So, yun ginamit ko si Belize. Okay, so i-click mo yan. Mag-a-agree ka sa disclosure and promissory note. So, it's very transparent. Everything you need to know about your loan is there. And i-click mo yung confirm or mag-OTP ka. And we're processing your transaction in less than 1 minute. Na-confirm po na na-approve yung aking loan. And it was paid directly to Agoda. And just click done. May konting survey na sa inyo na yun kung gusto nyo yung sagutin. And yun, kaagad na rin nag-update yung aking Belize na available credit limit. I still have 39,250 na pwedeng gamitin in case of emergency or if kasi multiple loans pwede po kay Belize. And napaka-flexible niya kasi hindi lang po cash loan, hindi lang po e-wallet top-up. Pwede na ring load, pwede na ring pay with grace. In case I'm gonna need a bigger amount, makakatulong din sa Belize because of the limit boost. So, ayun, magpapadala po siya ng email to confirm na na-process po yung transaction and nandun din sa email na yun yung copy ng mga loan documents mo ha. And ayun, nag-update na rin si Agoda na paid na rin yung aking booking. Confirm na yung aking booking. Yung overnight stay ko solved na rin. Pangabang na lang kayo sa mga updates, guys. So, that is why favorite ko po si Belize because dating wala pa akong credit card, si Belize po talaga yung aking kakampi. Naks, ganon. And I've been using Belize for more than 3 years, more 4 years now. And if you wanna see a step-by-step process kung paano ako nag-apply kay Belize, you can check these videos. If you want to learn more about why hindi ka pa nai-increasean or bakit 500 or bakit wala kang cash loan, you can also check my other Belize videos. Or kung hindi ka pa talaga pwede kay Belize, actually guys, hindi naman talaga mahirap na ma-approve kay Belize. All you need is just make sure that you pasok ka sa basic eligibility. Meron kang proof of billing na hindi kailangan nasa pangalan mo. Hindi na po kailangan mag-present ng payslip kung wala kang payslip. There are other documents that you can submit to Belize to prove that meron kang income. But you just have to select the correct source of income. Kasi pag sinabi mong employed ka, importante talaga mag-submit ng payslip. So, baka pwede ka dun sa remittance kung meron ka namang bank statement to prove na may nagpapadala nga sa'yo from abroad. Or kung work from home ka, baka pwede kang kumuha ng any certification from your employment to show na may online job kang or online contract or yung copy ng proof na may work as Upwork, more stuff like that. And you can also use your GCash transactions. So if you want more details or tips kung paano ma-approve kay Belize, just check this video. And para hindi kayo ma-discourage, guys, although Belize says na in 24 hours malalaman mo kung approve ka, don't be discouraged kung matagal yung approval. Kasi ako nga, inabot ng 1 month or a little bit more bago ko malaman na approve pala ako. Constantly nag-i-email pa ako sa Belize kung ano pa ba yung kailangan nila para ma-approve yung application ko. Feel free to check it out, guys. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something. Mas lalo nyo nakilala si Belize. And kung hindi pa kayo subscribe kayo. If you wanna check out the other, in case hindi talaga kayo pwede kay Belize for now because Belize also considers your credit history para ma-approve. In case hindi pa talaga kayo pwede, there are other online loan platforms that you can check out and you might wanna check this playlist, Legit Online Loans by Ate Red. Kasi baka andun yung loan app na mag-a-approve sa inyo. And for sure, okay sila. Proven and tested. Although I'm not recommending them, but I hope they help. It helps. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!